All right, guys, today is Thursday, so that means that we are doing multiplication. So you need to be creating 4 multiplication problems on your own and one word problem, or you could be right where you are listening to our math videos. If you listen to the math videos, it counts for your math for the day. So today I have 4 standard algorithm multiplication problems for you, 2 that are 4 by 1 and 2 that are 2 by 2, and then a word problem. So go ahead and get your pencil and paper ready. We're gonna get started. So same thing that we've been doing, pause the screen, solve, restart the screen, and see if you got it correct. You're gonna have the first 2 on the same piece of paper, so you can go ahead and just solve both of them, then restart the screen and watch how I solved both of them. Okay, so here are your first 2. 1,234 times 5 and 6,789 times 4. All right, so for the first one, I'm going to take 5 times 4, which is 20. I'm going to write the 0 on the bottom, and I'm going to carry the 2 from the 20 up to the top, and I have my little thing, so I'm gonna just write it right there. 5 times 3 is 15, and 15 plus 2 is 17. I'm gonna write my 7. I'm gonna carry my 1. 5 times 2 is 10, and 10 plus 1 is 11. Write my 1, carry my 1. 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So you should have gotten 6,170. The next one, I'm going to take 4 times 9, which is 36. Write my 6, carry my 3. 4 times 8 is 32, and 32 plus 3 is 35. Write my 5, carry my 3. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. 4 times 6 is 24, and 24 plus 3 is 27. I'm gonna write my 27 there. So you should have got 27,156. All right, if you got the first 2 right, 2 high fives. There you go. All right, your next one is a double digit by double digit multiplication. So take your time, circle that first one. Don't forget to drop down your 0. Go ahead and solve. All right, so my first step when I do 2 by 2 multiplication is I'm going to circle the 3. So I know that's what I'm gonna start with. So 3 times 1 is 3. And 3 times 9 is 27. I'm gonna write my 27. Now, I do not need the 3 anymore. I already solved it, and I'm gonna drop down a 0, so I'm gonna cross it out, drop down my 0. And now all I have to take is 91 times 2. So 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 9 is 18. Then you have to add them together, and that is not a straight line. That's okay. All right, so I'm gonna add together starting in my ones place. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 2 is 9. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2,093. All right, your next one. 56 times 78. Oh, sorry. All right, so I'm gonna circle my 8 first. And 8 times 6 is 48. So I'm going to write down my 8, carry my 4, and 8 times 5 is 40, and 40 plus 4 is 44. I'm gonna write that right here. I'm going to cross off the 4 from the top, and I'm going to cross off the 8 / the 0 that we created. I'm gonna drop it down. All right, and then I'm going to take 7 times 6. 7 times 6, which is 42. 7 times 5, which is 35, and 35 plus 4, which is 39. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and add these together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry my 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4,368. All right, and my last one is a word problem. So you're gonna have to write a statement and you're gonna have to draw a tape diagram. All right, so here's the word problem. It is Nikolai and Anna bought 4 giant bags of Takis for the class celebration. Each bag has 5,623 Takis. How many Takis do they have in all? All right, so I'm going to write my statement first. So my statement is how many Takis do they have in all? I'm going to say they have blank Takis in all. They have blank Takis in all. Then I'm going to draw a tape diagram. I don't know the total. That's the part that's the in all. So that part's gonna be the X. But I do know how many bags they bought. They bought 4 bags. And how many are inside each bag is 5,623. So I'll put in bag. So this is part. So if I have part, I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to multiply 5,623 times 4. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and write that down. If that is not what you did, if you did not multiply, I want you to go ahead and pause the screen and retry it. So go ahead and retry your answer. Fix your problem and multiply instead. But if you did that, we're gonna go ahead and continue. So 4 times 3 is 12. Carry my 1. 4 times 2 is 8. And 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 times 6 is 24. Write the 4, carry the 2. 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 plus 2 is 22. So now I'm going to take that answer and I'm going to put it into my sentence, and I hope it fits. So I'm going to have 22,492. Oh my goodness. That is a lot of Takis. All right, you guys. Great job today. Tomorrow we will be doing the same thing with division. 4 standard problems, 1 word problem. I will see you then.